guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a speed, clean, and undecorate with me. Like, this is a no-nonsense, like, let's get this stuff put away so that I can come home after Thanksgiving and start putting my Christmas decorations up. I am using my window e-cloth on my front window here, and I am still really liking the window cloth. I think it is so good. It leaves a streak-free shine, and it like really gets all the dirt off, and this door gets used a lot by a lot of grubby little fingers. Yeah, I'm giving the thumbs up because I'm like, I still really like this cloth. I'm enjoying it. As much as I love the window cloth, I'm still kind of unsure about the dusting cloth. I still think I prefer my method wood polish over this sort of dry dusting. I don't know, there's something about the smell of the wood polish and just like it leaves it so shiny. I don't know, I'll give it some more chance, but I still think I prefer the chemicals. Once again. As sad as I am to see my outside fall decor go, I am extremely excited to see all the lights and, you know, really get into the Christmas spirit. Again. I'm so sad to see my favorite fall pillow covers be put away for the season. I linked them down in my description box below because you guys always seem to ask about them. They're only $7.99 for the 4-pack of covers, and they're really good quality. Once again. When we bought our furniture, the store gave us this refresher spray and a white sponge, so every couple weeks I will find any little spots like food or like dog drool and clean it up with the spray and the sponge. You just wipe it and then let it dry, and whatever was there just magically like disappears. It's really good. Once again. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And be on the lookout for my Christmas home tour.